Hello, mathematicians, puzzlers, and other curious people. Scatterplots are a great way to organize and display information when you know two numerical facts about the elements of a set. Let's take a look. This scatterplot shows information about the first 5 girls to arrive at the community center for after-school activities. Each girl is represented by a dot on the graph. The horizontal axis label tells us that the distance from the origin to the right represents the girl's age in years. The vertical axis label tells us that the distance from the origin up represents the girl's height in centimeters. Who is the tallest and how tall is she? Height is represented vertically, with greater values further up, so we look for the dot closest to the top. Rebecca is the tallest, and she is 170 centimeters tall. Who is the youngest and how old is she? Age is represented horizontally, with lesser values further to the left, so we look for the dot furthest to the left. Sarah and Xanthia are equally young, and they are 6 years old. How much taller is Rebecca than Emma? Rebecca is 170 centimeters tall, and Emma is 150 centimeters tall, so Rebecca is 20 centimeters taller than Emma. How much younger is Sarah than Samantha? Sarah is 6 years old, and Samantha is 13 years old, so Sarah is 7 years younger than Samantha. Is it true that older people are taller? You probably know from experience that school-age people often get taller and rarely get shorter. So, it's reasonable to expect that older people are taller than younger people. On the scatterplot, we can see that this is sometimes true. For example, Emma is older than and taller than Xanthia. On the other hand, Samantha is older than but shorter than Sarah. So, even though it's true that older people are taller than younger people a lot of the time, it's not true all the time. You can investigate extremes, comparisons, and connections for any two quantities if you have data about both quantities for the elements of the same set and find out a lot of interesting things. Calc, you, later.